Welcome back to the Keto Bistro, day 4 of the 5-day pre-New Year's Keto kickoff. So it's December 31st. Let's take a look at the foods that I had today. Coffee, cheese omelet, 3 slices of bacon for breakfast this morning. Then for lunch, I had a grilled buffalo chicken salad with ranch, a hard-boiled egg, and Gatorade Zero. Then for dinner, I ate a half of a pizza that was cooked on the ole tortilla with pepperoni, cheese, marinara, a little bit left over from the pizza peppers, and some raw broccoli with ranch dressing. And then snack options, which I have not had the snack yet, but the snack options will be all 3 if you would like: cheddar cheese, pickles, sugar-free Jell-O. Of course, eggs are always great snacks to add if you need protein. So let's look at some of the macros for the day. Calories were a little bit lower, but it was plenty of food, 1,256, and it was a late morning, New Year's Eve. I did not have to work, so I had more of a brunch with omelet. Proteins at 27%, a little bit over. That's great. I wanted to go over on protein yesterday and today, and not as much fat since I went over on the fat Monday and Tuesday. Net carbs, I had 19 grams of net carbs, so met the macros that I was expecting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.